Hi everyone, welcome to my live streaming. I see that the Blue Moon asked how to use the wire to make the ball for a keychain. Then here I'm going to try it. First, I will use the spacer beads 8mm. Why I use these beads? Because the hole is big. And then I'm going to use the use the wire 0.8 or 0.6 maybe 0.6. Going to use the wire 0.6 rocket. Make it to a ball. Okay. The first we just check if the sizes work. Okay. First, let's wrap a loop. Hello, Yoni. Hi, Rini. Hello, Savia. Happy to see you. First, I'm going to make a loop at the top. It's going to make a ball for the keychain. Okay, the beginning I wrap it like this. We are making a ball. Have you see that the Blue Moon ask a question in the group? 1、2、3、4、5。Yeah, just see, test. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Message wap wap wap.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 piece beads. 10, 11.
Message wap wap wap.
So, okay, 12 pieces of the beads here first. 12. String the beads. And again. 1, 2. Hello, Jen Jackson. Happy to see you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hi, Taya V. Hello, Joyce. Joyce, I see your question. Yes, 10 pieces of each charm. Of course, you will get a discount. Here. Okay. 4、6、8、10、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20 pieces of the beads. Here, go through it back. We'll make a ball to test if it work. Tight. Hello, Rondia. Happy to see you. 20 pieces of the beads on this part. Then again 20 pieces. So, 6、8、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20。Hi, happy to see you, Rondia. Shake, happy to see you. Okay, 20 pieces. Then here again, go through the piece of the wire here. One more time, go through. Okay. We just see if this way is work to make a ball. Because I see Blue Moon ask a question in the group. So I just test. It's for a keychain. I test use copper wire if it will be easy to out of shape. Thank you. Hi, Janelle, for you. Happy to see you. Okay. Then the end, let's see. The end, we are going to fold the wire and make a piece of the loop seam as we wrap the beads. Okay. So this way is to make the end not sharp. Okay. So seems not bad. The end is with the loop like here, and middle with 8mm spacer beads, and here is 6mm the glass pearl. The wire I use is 0.6 here. Yeah, thank you. So here we can hang it on the keychain, and if we want to hang it on keychain, we can just hang this one Here, let's attach with a clasp. I'm going to attach with a clasp on it. Or attached by a big size jump ring. Yeah, this is the way that's for a keychain, or attached with a big size jump ring. It's work. Yeah, it's work. Here, we test if it's it can be fold like this. Yeah, with the copper wire, it is a little bit will be out of shape. So here we can see to use the other wire is another Phillips wire, thick one. Thick Phillips wire to use. If we don't want it to be out of shape, we can try by this wire. This is the size also 0.6. This one size also 0.6. Let's see it. This one, if we're going to make, we need to use the crimp beads at the end. Use this one, and it will not going to be out of shape because this is also the size 0.6. Yeah, they are the same size, but this not going to out of shape. I just want to advise to Blue Moon so that she can understand, and the end can be use this. Is a ball that's making by ourselves. And you can use the 2mm crimp beads for the end. Here. And with these crimp beads. Okay, then this way the beads are not going to be dropped at the last end and cut. So the end can be do like this way, but not drop here. Use this way. Okay, so this one will make it the beads will not be out of shape. This is use the copper wire. You see when I bend it, it's going to be out of shape. So just after test, we know. Use this Phillips wire will be perfect. This one, the thick. Okay, so we're done. Just test it for Blue Moon. Okay.